Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and please don't miss out on this one. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we're going to be making you guys, that's right, a Copycat KFC fried chicken. Alright, so first thing you're going to need to do, you're going to have to get you some chicken. This is like a whole chicken. Well, actually it's two of them, so I'm going to be using one. And you want to brine this for 24 hours, okay? That's what this is. I got it in a Ziploc bag. You can put it in a bowl, a container, whatever the case may be. But that's all I did. I put some water and salt in there, like 2 tablespoons of salt, and I brined that overnight, okay? Okay, let's get right into it. I got a strainer right here. I don't have the basket like they have, and this got water in it. All right, and I put like 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in that, and all we're gonna do with that is just like clean the chicken. All right, so we don't want all that extra salt on this chicken. All right, and I did sift like 3 cups of flour. All right, 3 cups of that. All I did was sift it. Alright, and then I got these Western canola oil right here. I have 2 of those for my deep fryer. Alright, here's my seasoning right here, guys. Alright, you guys can see that. Alright, so I put them in order up here. So what I have here is some poultry season. This is like a teaspoon of granulated onion, and this is celery seed right here. That's a ½ a teaspoon of that. I have a tablespoon of granulated garlic. I have a tablespoon of black pepper. I have a teaspoon of mustard, grounded mustard, and this right here is some basil. Yep, so that's like a teaspoon of that as well. I have a ½ a teaspoon of white pepper. And right here is some, I believe that's ginger. That's a ½ a teaspoon of ginger. Right here is a tablespoon of paprika. This is a tablespoon and a half of salt, which is sea salt, pink sea salt. Right here is some rosemary, and I grind mine up. All right, so that is about a teaspoon of that. Right here is a ½ a teaspoon of coriander. These 13 seasoning, guys. All right, that's right there. And we're just gonna bring that over here. Now they were talking about some MSG and all that stuff. I did look this up thoroughly. I'm just gonna pour that in here. And they have more of the seasoning, so your seasoning gotta be a lot. That's how you're gonna get that on that chicken. If you have too much flour, it's not gonna be on there. It ain't gonna work out good for you, I can tell you that now. So you just wanna stir this up, guys. Just like so. Make sure it gets well incorporated. And it is another secret, so do not skip the video, because you guys you're gonna miss out on the other secret. I'm gonna show you that when we get to frying. So I'm just shaking this up because you know it can't get in the corners. Okay, here's my flour. Though you guys probably can't see that great, but you see how it looks. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put this right here. We're going to come with our chicken. Have to pour this brine stuff out, okay? Make sure you pour this completely out. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to pour it in here for the time being. Just like so. These are my pieces of chicken right here. We're just going to put these right here in our water solution right here. Because we got to clean this chicken. This is what they do, I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now, this is exactly what they do. And there's no such thing as no buttermilk. I don't know why people saying buttermilk and all that stuff. So I'm just pretty much cleaning this now. You do want your chicken to be room temperature. All right. All right, let me move this over here to the side. Just like that. Now they do have hooks to sit them on while you're trying to drain the rest of the water. I don't have their little things. So then they just take their chicken, put it in their flour like so. Yep, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take some of this flour right here, sprinkle it on top, just like so. And they push down on it, guys. They do it just like this. Okay. And you can take your chicken. They do like this. They go like this, then they hit it like that. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and put these together. Put them on this little tray. If you get some come off, just pat it down on there. Just like so. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of these and I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Now here's their secret right here. Right here. They put this in their grease. And you're only supposed to put a dash of that in there, like so. So if you ever seen this on YouTube or seen them doing it, then they'll stir it up. Now what this does, it keeps your grease fresh and keep the flavor in that chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this batch, like so. Nice and gentle. Cause I don't have a basket or nothing like that, so that's how we gonna do it today. And they, you know, they do pressure cook, so. All right. We're gonna let this cook, guys. Put this on 15 minutes. Put this lid down. And let it cook. Now see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, that's how it's looking. Looks like it's cooking up pretty good. Got about 2 or 3 more minutes. And I'll go ahead and cook up the rest of the bunch. And then I'll show you guys how they all look at the end. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this KFC Copycat deep fried chicken. That's how that looks. Okay. You guys can see that good. Alright guys. Now we'll add this. I don't eat a lot of salt, so you may want to put maybe a teaspoon more salt in yours, but I'm good with the taste of mine. Tastes pretty good. It don't taste exactly like KFC. Don't nobody know the true recipe to KFC. Only thing we can do is try. But this tastes really, really good. So guys, saying that to say this, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, don't forget to hit this bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Happy chicken eating.